Hey friends, if you wish to change the browser language for Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So you need to open Firefox and then click on the hamburger symbol at the top right corner. Select settings, type the word language and hit enter. Now you will be able to change the language from here. If you don't find your language in the list, click on search for more languages. Select a language to add. Let's say you wish to add Afrikaans, and then simply click on add. It will start downloading it, and once it is there, if you click on OK, it will become the default language. But I personally prefer English US. I can also add versions of English. Wait, I'll show you. I can use the Canadian English and then I can add it, and then I can make it the default language by clicking on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.